Hello everyone, this is Liam's and family vlog once again, and we are here in Seven Spring Mountain Resort here in Pennsylvania, and we are going to try snow tubing. This is our first time, and hope you guys have fun watching. So guys, here we are already all the way to the top, and we came a little bit early. If you notice, there's a group of people down there, right there. We were supposed to be on that group. It's we are on a 1 o'clock time slot, and we didn't notice the time. The guy didn't working down there also didn't notice. So yeah, we're just here waiting for our turn.
It's all right.
It's nice to wait here than...
I'd rather wait up here than down there.
Yeah, so we're not wasting our time.
At least Mom can take pictures, right?
Video.
Alright guys, ready?
Yeah.
Now we're only allowed to do 4 at most. Just letting you know. You guys are within it. We're allowed to do 4, a group of 4 at most, okay?
Oh, okay.
I didn't think you guys had it.
Dad. Hang on.
You want front or back?
This is small for me. Do you have any...
Up on. Get on.
Is this how I'm gonna fit in here?
You gotta just sit on top.
I think I'm just gonna do this.
Grab the other one. Turn it around. Put that wheel in the inside. There. Now grab those two. Ready? Come on. Pretty quick.
I know! That was quick!
How was that, Liam?
I like that one.
Huh?
That's pretty cool.
This is like MHA.
What am I doing?
There.
We can go over there.
Huh? I don't know.
Oh.
It don't matter. Just grab one.
Dig into the ground. So like,
And then I'm gonna be the next. I think I'm gonna change my tube.
Yeah.
Because this one is, I think this one is for kids.
So now we are going to start a race. It is going to be Mommy and Daddy race number 1.
Move forward, anak ko.
Get up there, get ready. Mom will give you a start off.
Daddy and Mommy's gonna race. Okay? Go, you can get in now. I'll push you. I got you. I know.
Get in.
Just get in. I got you.
Sit down.
You want like that? But you
Grab
have to hold.
both.
Oh, I'm gonna get inside. Go inside. Okay. Go, get in. You have to egg inside.
Okay.
Okay.
There you go.
Hold on to here, please.
can you push me?
Okay, I will.
Come
Go.
on.
See you later.
Oh, but
Hang on. Chill.
you gotta write these down there.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
What's
All right,
that?
ready?
Hang on. Still.
All right,
Okay.
go.
Ready? I forget to sit.
Wins.
I forgot to We have to wait, okay? Put the thing in there.
So here we are on race number 2. Liam versus Mommy.
Yeah, go now.
Not yet. Not yet, anak ko. Not yet. I can't because daddy's still there. Okay, hang on. Ready?
I have my dad's still in my
Okay, we'll go. Let's go.
No, he's at the start of my little lane.
It's fine. Come on, let's go. 1, 2.
I can't.
Inside. Go inside. Okay. Oh. I'm coming. Liam. Who won? You won.
Come on, hot dog. No doubt.
You're good.
Go on, grab it. Let's go.
Mom, it's not my fault I won.
Oh, you go.
You win. Not my fault. Alright, get in line.
I didn't say it's your fault.
Cause I
Did you guys start at the same time?
No, he go first. I make sure he's
and then you were a little late.
yeah. I
Let's
make sure
retry
you're
that.
in.
Let's
Okay.
try that.
What do you mean?
Like retry the race, cause
Try
now I
race
got a
again?
head start. Like Mom, I
Let's
was
race again.
That's why
Mom.
he's got to be in front, though. He's got to be.
I want Daddy to be behind us because I want to make sure you are in
like push.
safely. Yeah, inside of
Okay,
the
Dad,
tube.
then that means you're going behind me.
This is
And
the last one I'm doing for a while, 'cause I got to go.
Okay.
But in order to do that, I have to.
Yep. But we can still continue, right? Yeah, Liam?
I'm good.
You're good. You did good.
Grab the other one. Okay. It's all right. Ready? Hang on. You got to get out. One.
Hang on.
I'm trying to cheat.
Okay, hang on. Not yet.
Mom,
Okay. Okay, go. Go. Where are you? Woo! Yeah, play your hands. I'm gonna be faster than you. I'm gonna be faster than you. I won. I won.
I almost won.
I know. Well, it's 1-1. Let's wait for Dad. Mo- He's coming. He's out. Just be out of the lane. He's coming. Whoa, he's fast too. You're fast.
Huh?
That was fast.
I seen Mom take a picture at the end.
Yeah, I won this round.
At the end, dude.
I won this round.
See, here's the thing. It's common science and gravity and logic.
No, not logic. Growing up in science terminology.
So whoever has the weight goes down faster.
Up in. Sure.
I can't because you guys were...
Babe, get in.
You sure?
Yeah.
I want to be in here.
You want it in the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm taking all the photos. Woohoo! What about you?
We didn't make it that far.
I thought you were bullying us, and but we didn't make it that far.
Well, at least we made it up a little.
Alright.
Okay,
That
it's
was
me and
fun.
Liam. I got it.
I can't get up because I gotta push myself. Oh,
This is our last ride. That's pretty cool.
You and Lydia versus me and B. Where is she?
You okay?
You want to go in front of us? You can.
Uh,
Oh no, this is a race.
it's fine. You guys are good. Oh wait. Yeah. Huh? Okay. Okay, can you hold this please? Hang on, hey, it's on. It's on.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. No. I didn't put it.
Ah! I'll slip down. Well, I did.
Okay.
So this one's mine.
Yeah. Hang on. Let me just put yours. Okay. Okay. This is our last ride.
Alright, here.
Hang on. Okay.
Do I get in?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh man!
No.